Understanding the emotional and physical needs of your partner is the key to a thriving relationship. Stick around to learn how to bring out the best in your partner. Understanding what makes women feel happy, secure, and satisfied in romantic relationships is crucial for building a deep and meaningful bond. In today's video, we're diving into an essential aspect of relationships that's often overlooked: understanding a woman's emotional and physical sensitivities, what some might call her weak points. But let me clarify, when we talk about these sensitive areas, we aren't implying weakness. Rather, we're exploring areas where your partner may feel more emotionally or physically vulnerable, and by recognizing them, you can create a stronger and more supportive relationship. In this video, we'll explore the different aspects of these sensitivities, both emotional and physical, and I'll share practical advice on how to use this knowledge to nurture deeper intimacy in your relationship. What do we mean by sensitive areas in a relationship? When we talk about sensitive areas in a relationship, it's not about weakness, but about understanding where your partner might feel more vulnerable or delicate, either emotionally or physically. Let's explore these areas one by one so you can better appreciate what your partner needs and values during intimate moments. 1. The inner thighs, a sensitivity of trust. For many women, the inner thighs can be an incredibly sensitive area. A light touch, kiss, or caress in this region can heighten arousal and build trust. It's important to observe how your partner responds, as preferences vary from person to person. Some women enjoy a gentle touch, while others prefer a firmer one. The key is communication and understanding what makes her feel most comfortable and cherished. 2. The back, a place of vulnerability. The lower back can be a sensitive area for many women, especially if they've experienced injuries or discomfort in the past. A thoughtful, gentle touch or massage can build intimacy and trust in your relationship, but it's essential to be mindful of her comfort levels. Pay attention to her cues and always communicate if there's any discomfort. 3. Ears, a hidden hotspot. The ears are often one of the most overlooked but highly sensitive areas in a woman's body. Light touches, gentle whispers, or even a soft kiss on the earlobe can send shivers of pleasure through her. It's a delicate area that responds well to both physical and verbal affection. Whispering kind words or blowing gently into her ear can intensify the moment. 4. Stomach and waistline, a space for emotional security. Many women feel emotionally vulnerable about their stomach or waistline, which can be tied to body image. A soft caress around these areas can build feelings of trust and emotional security. It's important to approach these areas with care, as they can evoke feelings of insecurity. Acknowledging and appreciating her body in a loving, non-judgmental way can make a big difference in your emotional connection. 5. Wrists and forearms, a place of comfort. The wrists and forearms are often overlooked when it comes to romantic touch, but they are areas where many women feel sensitivity. A gentle stroke on the wrist or a soft kiss on the forearm can create a comforting, secure atmosphere. These small but meaningful touches can make her feel cared for and loved, helping to strengthen the bond between you. 6. Neck and shoulders, a gateway to passion. The neck and shoulders are particularly sensitive areas for many women. A light kiss on the neck or gentle caresses along the shoulders can evoke strong feelings of intimacy and passion. Because these areas are rich in nerve endings, they respond strongly to gentle, affectionate touches. Always remember to ask for consent, especially if your partner has any preferences regarding touch in this area. 7. Fingertips and palms, the subtle art of connection. Lastly, the fingertips and palms are highly sensitive and can create a strong sense of connection. A gentle stroke along the palm or a playful tickle can make her feel especially valued and cared for. You can even try lightly kissing each fingertip. These small gestures show affection and attention to detail, deepening the emotional connection. Emotional sensitivities in relationships. Beyond physical touch, women often have emotional sensitivities in relationships that are equally important to recognize. Women might feel vulnerable when they believe they're being neglected or unappreciated. Criticism or conflict, if not handled delicately, can trigger emotional pain. By understanding these emotional triggers, you can create a space where your partner feels heard, respected, and valued. By paying attention to both the physical and emotional sensitivities of your partner, you can create a deeper, more fulfilling connection. Every relationship is unique, but recognizing your partner's vulnerabilities and strengths will allow you to nurture a relationship built on empathy, trust, and love. If you found this video helpful and would like to learn more about building a stronger emotional and physical connection with your partner, make sure to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more expert relationship advice. Stay tuned as I share more insights and techniques on how to deepen intimacy in your romantic life. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next discussion on love, sex, and relationships. Thank you for watching.